Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. Fake games, staying beside, breaking the blues over steak. I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign.
Followed a Prius in a Prius to fix a Prius, and now David's not even working. What the fuck you got there, bud? Food first. Tuna? No crust? No. Look at this power wagon. It's a Dodge, it ain't a power wagon, but we're gonna call it a power wagon. All right, guys, basically, so we're here at David and Peter's dad's shop out in the middle of nowhere, and we are installing all of these new parts on David's Prius. So he bought this from the dealership. I found it. He got a pretty good deal on it, but as you can see, there's a little bit of damage. I'll flip it around and we'll let you see that.
Control, now I'm taking charge. Breaking bills, friends breaking off. You could be the youngest, I'm the dawn. Kiss the ring now. In the scene like GOT. Stay awake, don't sleep. Like Jon Snow, get R.I.P. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now, I get paid.
So yeah, once they're done screwing around with the lights, which what are you guys even doing?
We are going to replace the halogen bulbs with some LEDs to get it a little bit brighter up.
I'm gonna take credit for this. Grab one of those lights. These things, you guys, if you don't have them, it's an LED light fixture that just screws into your normal light socket. They're freaking awesome. And if you have one of those old school work lights that have the cord, you can actually screw these in there as well, and then you can adjust these to have them stand in a couple different ways. What the? Back to, okay, we're doing this. Come here.
I'm not, no. Oh my God, it stinks.
I'm up to get it. Early bird gets the worm and the Yankee fitted. Like, whoa, bags under my eyes and you know. Won't complain, I'm tired, I'm on go. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now.
No, this liner. No, this we can just kind of pull down. There's another one right here. All right, so we got the bumper off. We're gonna have to transfer some of the fog lights and wiring and stuff like that. How do you feel, David?
Like it's coming together, well, coming apart, then going together.
I think you should just drive it like this. Kind of got like that.
It's a good look.
Got like that Mad Max look. We could go get some Casey lights that we put on the Mazda and like just mount them to the front here.
Across the entire time.
So we're gonna keep going, and once we get everything disassembled, we'll kind of show you where we're at.
Nosebleed, money on the floor, can't get cold feet. Took a L, should've put it in the offering. Lord, forgive me for my sins, don't know of me. Scary thoughts, I got scary thoughts. Lost control, now I'm taking charge. Breaking bills, friends breaking off. You could be the youngest, I'm the dawn. Kiss the ring now. In the scene like GOT. Stay awake, don't sleep. Like Jon Snow, get R.I.P. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. Just me, myself, and I'm my favorite threesome. The cars I drive by, I never lease them. They say if you can't beat them, then you join them. That's no option, I don't join, I always beat them. I was fake, I had to find.
All right, so we got everything taken off the Prius. By far the hardest thing that we've done is replace these hood hinges. This side, obviously, not too bad because the fender's out of the way. But if we come over here, this side we didn't want to take the fender off, and you can see the bolts. You can get a light on there. There's one right there, and the other one is behind that. You can see if I can. You can see it back right there. See it if I kind of shine the light down. There's one way back there. So that was a lot of fun. We just took this off and pulled the fender back a little bit. But those are in now, and they were both tweaked pretty bad from the accident. So yeah. Now the fun part, we do a little swappy. So we're taking everything that we need off this bumper, the fog lights, the harnesses, all that fun stuff, out so we can transfer it to the new bumper. Then we'll get back to assembling. Having fun?
Oh yeah, blast. Those hood hinges were easy for me, so I mean.
Yeah, you just sat there.
Exactly.
Peter,
Hey.
where were you, Oompa Loompa?
Outside in the cold.
All right, so now it's really just a matter of putting the Prius back together. Bumpers assembled over on that table over there, and we just gotta reverse our order. He's back. You find some? Yes.
So grouchy, please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice till I got a nosebleed. Money on the floor, can't get cold feet. Took an L, should've put it in the offering. Lord, forgive me for my sins, don't know of me. Scary thoughts, I got scary thoughts. Lost control, now I'm taking charge. Breaking bills, friends breaking off. You could be the youngest, I'm the dawn. Kiss the ring, nah. In the scene like GOT. Stay awake, don't sleep. Like Jon Snow, get RIP. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. Just me, myself, and I, my favorite threesome. The cars I drive by, I never lease them. They say if you can't beat them, then you join them. That's no option, I don't join, I always beat them. I was fake, you had to find me. Now I'm on beat, skating like I'm grinding. L hit me, said it's all about the timing. If you want the vision, get to spinning. My mama told me trust in God, it's never limits. Now I'm on the scoreboard, running up the digits. I put in work, you know I'm up to get it. Early bird gets the worm and the Yankee fitted. Like whoa, bags under my eyes and you know. Won't complain, I'm tired, I'm on go.
So we got the bumper cover on. It didn't go exactly as planned. The hood doesn't quite line up because the front nose of the car was actually tweaked a little bit. So we got to figure out something to do to get the hood to latch. We were thinking hood pins, and this will be then the only Prius in the world with hood pins. David, you'll be ready for the Daytona. You know, so I mean, this is how this shit goes though. I'm not a body guy, we're just kind of trying to do what we can. Obviously the front end of the car looks a lot better. The headlights in there, we got working lights. The fender's on there, so we're getting there. It's just gonna take a little bit of work and tweaking to get it exactly perfect. So thanks for watching this little video, guys. Like, subscribe if you haven't already. Once we get to that 500 mark, we are giving away that tool. So thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.
Wave, yeah, I swear they never really understand me. I need a comment like I need a Grammy.